Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a fat-rich base. Whole milk or half and half gives body and mouthfeel. Heat gently over medium-low so proteins don't scorch. While heating, whisk together cocoa or grated chocolate with a small amount of sugar and the cornstarch slurry. This prevents lumps. Once the liquid is warm, whisk the dry mix in briskly to disperse evenly. Make sure to keep stirring so the starch activates without clumping, and the chocolate melts smoothly into the milk, building thickness early. Once your mixture warms and begins to thicken, lower the heat and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes so the cornstarch fully gelatinizes and the flavors integrate. You want a gentle simmer. Vigorous boiling can break emulsions. Make sure to whisk constantly at the edges to prevent skin. Then add a touch of vanilla and a small knob of butter to round the flavor and improve sheen. If you want an ultra-smooth drink, briefly pulse with an immersion blender. This eliminates microgrit and aerates slightly for creaminess. You finish by tasting and adjusting texture. Strain through a fine sieve if you detect grain, then ladle into a warmed mug to keep it velvety. Garnish with whipped cream, a pinch of salt, or chocolate shavings to amplify richness. If the drink is too thin, simmer gently to reduce and concentrate. If it's lumpy, whisk vigorously with a little hot milk or run a quick blend to smooth it out. Make sure to keep it warm but not boiling before serving for best mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.